Hey, it's our Locksmith. All right, we're going to change the battery here on our 6-button Fobik remote. You can go ahead and leave your key ring on if your key ring sits recessed down inside this little area. If it does not, you'll need to take it off. Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler fix that problem, but if you have one of the older ones, you might have to remove it. But this one here, we don't have to. With that, go ahead and put your finger on the bottom here, or if your key ring is big enough, put your finger in. I'm using the flat tip to demonstrate how this is spring loaded, so when you do push it to the side, it will release it, but you need to put pressure on your blade. Go ahead and pull your blade out, set it to the side. Now we've done that, let's go ahead and look at the remote. You'll notice you have the spot where the emergency key goes. You'll have a little indentation here or on this side. With that, find the one that you can get the corner of your flat tip in, and go ahead and push it down, and then just slowly push the two halves apart, and you notice it just pops open. They might give you low resistance, don't worry. This one here, you notice the rubber came off or out of it. Go ahead and just take your finger and just push it back down in, and she's seated. Take your flat tip, put it on your battery, put your finger above your battery, and I still lost the battery, which is no biggie. This is a CR2032 battery that you'll need for this task. When you put the battery in, it will push against these pieces here. Now, I will show you that this piece here does have a tendency to come out, and if it does, I took it out here. You see that there's the indentation where it locks into place. Go ahead and take it and go ahead and drop it back in, and with slight pressure push it down. The battery is what holds that in, so it's no worries. Go ahead and put your battery, push against it, and when you do, you push down, the battery will seat in those little plastic tabs, and when you're done, you should be able to take your remote back half, turn it over, and then it doesn't come apart. Go ahead and take your front part, leave it down, do not push on the middle, because if you push up, the pad comes up and it won't line up properly. We'll take the two halves, line them up, and it goes together. Now that it's slid together, go ahead and squeeze and work your way down, and you will start hearing it snap together. Go ahead and take your emergency blade, put it back in, and you just change the battery on your 6-button remote. Thanks for watching SgtLocksmith, and let's be safe out there.